Have you heard about a one-time commission? Want to enable your marketplace vendors to pay a one-time commission in advance to the admin. This way, the vendors will not have to pay regular product commissions. Well, here we are with just the right product for you. Hey guys, I'm Satyam this side, and today we are going to check the Magento 2 vendor one-time pay commission marketplace extension. This extension allows the marketplace admin to create a one-time pay commission seller group in which the seller only has to pay a one-time commission in advance. After being assigned to this particular seller group, the sellers will not have to pay regular product commissions. Additionally, they'll also get their own PayPal payment method to accept payments which will get credited directly into their accounts. Now, let's check the working of the extension. But before that, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from us.
Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections from where you can check the features and configurations to get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video.
Alright, so now let's check the working of the Magento 2 vendor one-time pay commission extension. So here we are on the Magento 2 dashboard and we have the Magento 2 vendor one-time pay commission extension installed. So now let's check the configurations available. Let's click on marketplace management and here we can see one-time commission and the module configuration. So now once we have clicked on that, so we'll simply scroll to the configuration which is available. So here we are on the one-time pay commission payment method, which is the PayPal payment method, which will be available for the sellers to accept payments. So now we'll see the configuration available. So here we have enabled, in which we can enable the payment method for the sellers, and we can set the title, and then we have the payment from applicable countries and payment from specific countries. So here we can select from all allowed countries or specific countries as per our choice. Alright, so now we'll save the configuration. Alright, so now I'll quickly show you how we can create a one-time pay commission group and assign sellers to them. So now let's go to manage seller groups. So we have already created a one-time pay commission group and I'll quickly show you how the configuration is to enable a one-time pay commission and bypass the commission for the admin. So I'll click on edit. Now as you can see, we have created a seller group in which we have named the group as one-time pay. So here we will get a setting which is the admin get commission. So we simply have to set this as no. So once we have set this as no, this will bypass the admin and it will not allow the admin to get a commission on the products. So in this way, a one-time pay commission seller group is created. Now the admin can create as many number of one-time pay commission seller groups as much as they want. So now let's go back. Now we'll check how we can assign sellers, how we can as an admin assign sellers to those one-time pay commission groups and also provide them an access to view those groups and so that they can purchase them. So now let's go to marketplace management and we'll go to manage seller. Here as you can see, we have sellers listed. So in the bulk actions that is listed right here, we can see access one-time commission groups. So once we click on that, here we have enable view or disable view. Now if I select a seller, let's say John Doe, and I'll quickly go to access one-time commission groups and enable view here. So the seller will be able to now view that group on their pricing section in their on the front end or the manage seller membership page in their seller dashboard. So once we have access, provided them with this access, so after they have purchased the membership for this group, So we'll simply assign a seller group to them. So now as you can see, we have a one-time pay commission group already created. So I can simply click on that particular seller and then click on assign a seller group and assign that particular group to that seller. So that is how the configuration works from the backend. Now let's check the seller end as well. So I'll quickly hop on to the front end. So here on the front end, I have logged in as a seller right now, as a seller John Doe. So I'll simply go to my account. Now, as we can see, here is the manage seller membership page. So I'll click on that. So in this, this seller has already subscribed to this one-time pay commissions seller group. So you can see the details here that the group membership is one-time pay and the admin commission is listed as 0. So the seller, now that the seller has subscribed to this seller group, so they will not have to pay regular product commissions. They will only pay a one-time commission to the admin. And these are the allowed functionalities for the group. And this is the paid amount, which is the one-time commission only paid to the admin. No further commission will be paid to the admin. All right, they can also cancel this membership. Additionally, the sellers can also view this one-time pay commission membership through this pricing section, the pricing page. So once the admin enables it from the backend, the seller will be able to view this one-time pay commission seller group information from right here from this page, and they can also subscribe to it. They are already subscribed, so it is displaying as your current membership. All right. So also this module offers an exclusive PayPal payment method for the sellers to accept payments directly from the customers, after which the amount that is credited will be credited directly to their PayPal accounts. So now I'll order a product and show you how that happens. All right. So now this is a product by the seller John Doe. I'll simply add it to the cart. I've added it. Now I'll proceed to checkout. Now on the checkout, we have the shipping page. So basically this module will, this extension will get the marketplace shipping options only. So here we have a marketplace fixed rate shipping available. So it has been selected and I click on next. Now after clicking it, as I explained previously, the PayPal payment method is available for the one-time pay commission assigned seller groups. So now the PayPal option is available here for the customers to pay, and they'll simply click on PayPal. A 3D secure page will pop up here. Here the customers will enter their PayPal credentials so that they can pay for the product. I'll quickly enter these details. All right, so I've entered those details, the credentials. So now as you can see, the multiple payment options are available here as well. So I'll quickly complete the purchase now. All right, so our order has been successfully placed from the PayPal payment method. Additionally, this module also offers a market split cart functionality. So basically what happens if a customer places an order from two different sellers, so basically the orders will be split into two if they are placing two products from two different sellers. Now this is done to manage the commission per seller wise. So for more information on that, you can check our user guide. So now I've ordered the product. Now let's check how much commission the admin has got from this purchase. So I quickly hop onto the seller dashboard. I quickly go to the orders. All right, as you can see, this order has been is in processing state now that we just placed. Let's see the order. All right, as this particular seller was assigned to a one-time pay commission group, so you can see here that the total admin commission is now listed as 0. So the seller has not paid any commission to the seller. So this is how the extension works. So there we have it, a comprehensive workflow of the Magento 2 vendor one-time pay commission marketplace extension. If you have any more queries or require further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us through support@webkul.com or create a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.